Ready to transform your images from bland to grand in just a few clicks. Let's jump right into Canva and I'll show you how to change any image background, giving it a fresh, new look. First, click on Create a Design. Now, select Edit Photo. This allows you to upload your image directly. Choose the image you want to edit. I'm selecting this photo of a person against a plain background. With your image uploaded, make sure you're in the Edit Photo section here. Now for the magic, find and click the Background Remover tool. Canva's AI will automatically detect and remove the existing background. See, almost instantly, the background is gone now. Let's add a new one. Click on the Background tab. Here you'll find a huge library of backgrounds to choose from. Browse through the options or search for something specific like tropical beach or city skyline. I'm going to choose this beautiful beach scene. Just click on it. And there you have it. Our person is now enjoying a day at the beach. You can also upload your own background. Click the Uploads tab. Select the image you want to use as your background and click Open. Just click your uploaded image and it will instantly become the new background. And that's it. Experiment with different backgrounds to create stunning visuals. Finally, click on the Share button to download your masterpiece. And select Download. Now go create some amazing images. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips.